Hey guys, this is just one guy, and today I'm back here with my game Superhuman, and I wanted to talk about squads and squad mechanics. Now, I'm just going to go in game so I can demonstrate it better. So first we'll load up the game, and we're going to go to the character menu, and you can see right here we have a squad. I know all the characters look the same right now, but that's just because I'm going through testing with the same character models. But I want to talk about squad cohesion. Now, a squad can be anywhere from 1 to 6 characters, and they have something called squad cohesion, and that's controls how well they work together. Now, squad cohesion goes from 1 to 5, and it's represented by this bar up here. Now, just for demonstration purposes, I have the squad cohesion set to 5, but you'll gain squad cohesion by doing missions, and every time a squad goes on a mission, their cohesion will go up. Now, while you want the squad cohesion to go up, because each level that you gain in squad cohesion, you gain a new ability. Now, at the first level, every character gains 1% to their, well, essentially 10% to their dodge. So they have a 10% chance of dodging the attack. And at the second level, they gain an ability called Call Out, which is why I made this video, because I thought it was pretty cool and I wanted to show the ability off. So now we're just going to go to the test level so we can see what the ability does. Now, squad cohesion at level 1 gives you the passive ability for each character to gain 10% dodge, and you can see it's represented right here. Every one of the characters has 10% added onto their dodge. And this character has 30% dodge because he's naturally 20%. He has natural 10% dodge, and he gains, it looks like 50% dodge from here. Looks like I made a mistake somewhere, but I'll fix that later. Anyway, here's the ability Call Out, and what it does is if you attack a target, all the other squad members that can see the target will also attack the target. Now, right now, some of my squad members can't see the target because they're stuff in the way, and their weapon ranges doesn't reach the target, as you can see. The green represents how far you can move, and the red represents how far you can shoot. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to erase all the level game objects. So there's nothing interrupting the view between us and our target that we're going to be shooting at, which is him right here. And I'm also going to change all the players' weapon ranges to 99, just so they can shoot essentially an infinite range. And you can see that the red now extends all the way across the board for every player. Now, to use the call out ability, first you have to select the target, which is going to be him, and the target has to be in range, and since our range is infinite, represented by these red squares, I can just hit him. Now, the ability has a 10-turn cooldown, which is what I intended, so we won't be able to use it for 10 more turns. And it's intended to damage targets with a lot of HP, in case you run into something with an emergency situation and you really need to get rid of a target, and you'll just be able to use this ability to directly just get rid of them. And you see every character is taking one shot at him. Now, the shots aren't guaranteed hits, so you can see they still have an aim percentage, but it doesn't take off an action either, so they won't be missing any actions. And now you can see the target was knocked out by that last shot, and now the target's dead, so the rest of the characters didn't fire. And I just thought that was a pretty cool ability. You can see now it's grayed out, and we can't select it. Every character on the squad can use the ability, but when one character uses the ability, it'll be grayed out for all the characters. And that was an example of squad mechanics. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.